My takeaway from the 2 days of leadership training was that strong leaders build systems, systems build teachers, and teachers build students. And so today we worked with our NIET partners, and we worked on, as teams, we worked on creating strong systems of support for when we meet with our teachers, using that 5-step process that ensures that we remain focused on student achievement.
So as a new employee and new administrator for this school district, one of the awesome things that I've learned about Carrizo Springs Consolidated ISD is your theme, Every Wildcat, Every Day. And yesterday and today in our trainings, a takeaway that I've had is that everybody collaborates for student achievement. Regardless of our role, everybody has student achievement at their core of what we do. And what we've been doing also is looking at systems of support for teachers, and at every level supporting teachers having what they need to ensure that students get the support so that they can achieve.